Hi everyone. Music isn't just a hobby, it's a powerful skill, and if you love creating it, why not turn that passion into a way to earn? Whether you're a singer, player, or just love being around music, this video will open your eyes to side gigs that truly pay off. Make sure to subscribe right now. This channel shares real ideas that help creative people grow, earn and shine. Let's explore the best ways to turn your musical talent into income. 1. Music tutoring. You can teach music to students online or in person. Whether it's guitar, piano, or singing, share what you know and get paid for it. 2. Event performer. Play live music at weddings, private parties, or corporate events, whether performing alone or with a band. These events are a great way to enjoy the spotlight and earn from your passion. 3. Music transcription. Writing music for audio recordings or songs is a skill in demand. Transcription services can be offered to musicians and clients through freelance platforms and online music communities. 4. Music production and mixing. Have a good ear for sound. Then start mixing and producing music for others. Even beginners can learn with practice and tutorials. 5. Songwriting and composition. Write lyrics or full songs and sell them to other artists, bands, or companies. Your words can become someone's next big hit. Liking the video so far? Then hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. More videos on creative careers and online income are coming soon. Don't miss out. 6. Music, blogging, or YouTube channel. Share your experience through a blog or your channel, like I'm doing now. Review instruments, share tips, or teach music. 7. Instrument repair. Know how to fix or tune instruments. Many musicians need this help. It's a hands-on skill that pays well. 8. Music merchandise. Design and sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters with music, quotes, or images. Use Etsy or Shopify to open your store. 9. Music therapy. Certified music therapists play an important role in emotional healing, especially in hospitals, clinics, and rehabilitation centers. This field combines musical skill with care, offering both purpose and income. 10. Virtual concerts or live streams. You don't need a stage anymore, just go live on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram and earn from views, tips, and sponsors. 11. Jingle writing. Write short, catchy tunes for brands and businesses. It's creative work and pays surprisingly well. 12. Music app development. Those with some knowledge of coding can create helpful apps for musicians or music learners. These apps can include tools, lessons, or beat makers, turning your tech skills into income. 13. Instrument rental. Extra musical instruments can be a steady source of income when rented out to students or beginner bands. Many learners look for short-term access, making rentals a practical and profitable option. 14. Music podcasting. Start a podcast and talk about music trends, tips, or stories. You can earn from ads and sponsorships. 15. Music publishing. Help other musicians manage their royalties and licenses. If you know the music business side, this can be a long-term role. 16. Online courses or workshops. Teach music online by creating your course or offering live Zoom workshops. 17. Music event promotion. Concerts, music festivals, and local gigs need proper promotion to reach the right audience. Handling marketing and event coordination for such programs opens up a valuable income opportunity in the music industry. So, these were 17 powerful side hustles for musicians, whether you're just starting or already experienced. There's something here for everyone. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start small, grow with time, and enjoy doing what you love, music. And before you go, make sure you've subscribed to the channel because trust me, more exciting content is coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.